please, I cannot sleep, so give me medicine to fall asleep. But when we go into the history, we realize that a lot of you are not practicing good sleep hygiene. Now, what is a good sleep hygiene? A good sleep hygiene refers to all the practices that culminate into you having a very good night's sleep. I spoke about it briefly in the previous video, and I got so many views and so many comments, which indicates that a lot of people are having difficulty sleeping. Winding down routine is any routine that you are going to undertake an hour prior to your bedtime, and it is very, very important. It's a non-negotiable routine if you want to be able to sleep well. So what do? You set a bedtime, say 10 p.m. An hour prior to your bedtime is when you are supposed to go through your winding down routine. It's non-negotiable. So say if you're going to sleep at 10 p.m., your winding down routine starts at 9 p.m. If you're going to sleep at 8 p.m., your winding down routine starts at 7 p.m. So it varies from person to person. What goes into the winding down routine? There are negotiables and non-negotiables. First, non-negotiables, please, all gadgets must go off. Not at your bedtime, but during your winding down routine. So if your bedtime is 10 p.m., your gadgets are going off at 9 p.m. Your gadgets are going off at 8 p.m. if your bedtime is 9 p.m. Your gadgets don't go off at your bedtime. Why? Because melatonin is the hormone that helps you to sleep. Melatonin does not work well when there is light. A lot of melatonin is produced when the lights are off. Now, all lights, suppress melatonin to some extent, but when it comes to lights coming from phone, we call that blue light, coming from your phone, your laptop, your TV, these lights suppress melatonin very, very strongly, and they prevent you from falling asleep. So an hour prior to your bedtime, your gadgets must be off. In fact, some studies say that 2 to 3 hours prior to your bedtime, your phones must go off. If I catch you using your mobile phone, your laptop, your TV 1 hour to your bedtime, you're in trouble. That means you don't have good sleep hygiene. Okay, so that's what you have to do. As much as possible, once that winding down time hits, turn off your main lights in the house. Okay, the strong lights, the bright lights in your home, begin to turn them all off, and then leave the soft lights on. So maybe bedside lamps, candles, those romantic lights, the very soft lights, you leave those ones on, but turn off the main lights, so that you are reducing the amount of light exposure that you get.